Explode your website traffic now. The secret strategy big brands don't want you to know. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned until the end because we're going beyond the basics to reveal some unexpected and innovative strategies that will dramatically enhance your website's online presence and traffic. Start by analyzing your website's current online visibility using tools like Google Analytics. This helps you understand your traffic sources, user behavior, and areas needing improvement. Focus on SEO to improve your website's search engine ranking. Effective SEO strategies involve optimizing your website with relevant keywords, improving site structure, and ensuring high-quality content. Conduct thorough keyword research to understand what potential customers search for online. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords relevant to your business and incorporate them into your website content. Content creation is crucial for engaging visitors. Develop valuable and relevant content like blog posts, videos, or infographics that resonate with your audience and encourage them to visit your site. Prioritize quality in your content. Each piece should be informative, well-researched, and engaging to encourage sharing and return visits, thereby boosting your online presence. Website design impacts user experience and retention. Ensure your site is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly to keep visitors engaged. Optimize your website's loading speed, as slow-loading pages deter visitors. Use tools like Google's Page Speed Insights for recommendations to improve your site's speed. Use social media to expand your reach. Regularly share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to attract a broader audience to your website. Consider social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Platforms offer targeted advertising options that can effectively drive traffic to your website. Implement email marketing to keep in touch with your audience. Regular newsletters and updates can remind subscribers about your website and encourage visits. Guest blogging on relevant sites can extend your reach. Write quality content for other websites and include backlinks to your own site to attract their audience. Build quality backlinks from reputable sites. These links boost your website's credibility and search engine ranking, driving more traffic to your site. Regularly monitor your website's performance using analytics tools. This helps you understand which strategies are effective and where improvements are needed. Understand that increasing online presence is a gradual process requiring consistent effort. Be patient as you implement strategies and wait for them to yield results. Stay informed about Google's algorithm updates to adapt your SEO strategy accordingly. This ensures your website remains optimized for the best search engine visibility. Enjoying the insights we share? Embed them in your routine. Click subscribe, validate with a like, and ring the bell for a regular dose of insightful content. Ready to absorb more? Let's dive back into the knowledge. Explore advanced SEO tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs for deeper insights into keyword rankings, backlink profiles, and competitor analysis. Encourage user-generated content such as reviews or comments. This engagement can increase your content's reach and add authenticity to your website. Collaborate with influencers to broaden your audience. Influencers can introduce your website to their followers, increasing your site's traffic. Utilize email marketing for direct communication with your audience. Personalized emails with valuable content can drive traffic and build customer loyalty. Retargeting ads can be effective in bringing back visitors. These ads target users who have previously visited your site, reminding them to return. Affiliate marketing can help spread the word about your website. Offering commissions can incentivize others to promote your site, increasing traffic. Keep an eye on your competitors to learn from their strategies. Analyzing their approach can provide valuable insights for your own website's growth. Utilize customer testimonials to build trust. Genuine reviews can influence potential customers' decisions to visit and engage with your website. Participate in relevant online communities. Engage in discussions and share insights to increase your brand's visibility and attract visitors to your site. Test different marketing strategies to find what works best for your website. Experiment with content, ads, and social media approaches to optimize your traffic-driving tactics. Collaborate with other businesses for mutual promotion. This can help you reach new audiences and drive more traffic to your site. Run promotions or special offers to attract visitors. Limited time deals can create urgency and encourage more people to visit your website. Ensure your website is secure to build trust with visitors. Implementing security measures like HTTPS can enhance user confidence and improve traffic. Regularly update your site to keep it fresh and engaging. Like a physical storefront, your website needs constant updates to attract and retain visitors. Stay adaptable and open to new strategies and technologies. The digital landscape constantly evolves, and keeping up with the latest trends is crucial to maintaining and enhancing your website's visibility and traffic. Set off on a groundbreaking journey in the digital business sphere. Your voyage begins with our free ebook, showcasing today's top online business strategies. But this is merely the first step. Beyond the ebook, a challenging yet transformative 15-day experience awaits, expertly designed to bring these strategies to life under the mentorship of digital business experts. This is where concepts become reality, equipping you with a toolkit engineered for success in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. Are you ready to redefine your role in the digital world? Step up with determination. Click the link in the description and start your ascent to digital business mastery. Ringing the bell on today's e-earning school session. Learn the method? A plus earnings or still studying? Share your report card in the comments. Did today's financial lesson elevate your knowledge to the honor roll? Click like to show you're a top student. Thirsty for more scholarly strategies and online income? Subscribe and keep your pencil sharpened, ensuring you're always ready for the next lesson. Before you pack your backpack, see that video on the bulletin board? It's an advanced course in another profitable e-earning subject. Take a seat and let's continue to ace the curriculum of digital wealth. Until our next class.